It's Miss J. Gray, and today I want to talk to you about quality content and how making quality content can really help you level up as an influencer. Quality content is going to do three things. It's going to evoke emotion, educate an audience, and provide value through sharing. You want to make sure you can create content that's going to evoke emotion. And the reason you're going to evoke emotion is because it's going to build an emotional connection between the content creator and their audience. You kind of start to form an unspoken language, and your audience will then feel seen and heard by you. This is pivotal in creating and cultivating your tribe. You create brand loyalty when you have a tribe. Think of Beyonce and the Beehive. When you have that tribe, you can then migrate them off of any social media platform onto your own website. And now you can own your audience. Impromptu. Instagram is broken right now as I'm recording this. This is why you want to own your own audience. What if Instagram never came back? All 150K followers that you have are gone forever. Rarely do I ever say need, but in this instance, you need to create a website immediately and begin to funnel your audience from every single social media platform that you have onto your own. Do it through giving away items, do a free ebook, do a free course, do something to migrate that audience immediately. And you want to use other social media platforms as like a trailer to the ultimate movie, which is your owned platform, so that you can own your audience. Quality content is also going to educate an audience. So when you think about education, let's move away from teacher-pupil and focus more on giving or offering insightful information that can really improve your audience's life. It can be something as simple as showing someone how to dry their dishes quicker, or giving them life hacks as an entrepreneur. When you educate, it's one of the most authentic ways to advertise. So here's where you can really partner and pair with brands by introducing new products and services to your audience. This brings me to my third point, which is providing value through sharing. When you provide value through sharing, it takes us back to the original purpose of the content creator, the original purpose of the influencer, and that's public relations, better known as word of mouth. You have someone who advocates for a product or a service and speaks to their audience and influences their audience to now experience what they've shared with them. Here's a quick example. Instead of me coming on here and telling you, buy the Sony ABC, it's the best camera on the market, I can simply share my experience. Ever since I got the Sony ABC, all of my photos have been flawless. I'm not a photographer and my little brother isn't either. But when he picks it up and he presses that auto button, everything is just set up perfectly for me so I can be the ultimate influencer and take all the bomb photos. Oh, and did I mention it fits in my purse? That's much more attention grabbing and authentic than buy the Sony ABC. You just need to share your experience with your audience, and that way you're providing value to them. If you're really trying to level up as an influencer, you're just gonna do three things to create quality content. Evoke emotion, really engage with your audience, build a tribe, own your audience, educate the audience, and provide value through sharing. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 friends, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.